Hey, it's Brian on Facebook. It's Brian Awad here with Elegant Outdoor Designs. Just wanted to show you some stuff that we were doing today. So, due to the weather and whatnot, in order to still keep the guys busy and keep myself busy, instead of waiting around, waiting for the rain to stop, we go around the weather as much as possible and try and get some stuff done. So we had to pick up this custom-made pergola out of state. I'm in Davenport, Iowa right now, picking up this pergola. Sorry, a little distracted here. Anyways, so it's a I'm gonna show you here. So I'm gonna flip the camera and show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you how it looks like in my trailer. So here's the pergola. It's a vinyl overlay piece. So it's an aluminum infrastructure, vinyl. You need a lifetime warranty on this piece, and then you get aluminum infrastructure itself. That's really thick, and these things hold up very well in the weather. They're perfect for like rooftops. They're perfect for any type of customer that wants to have low maintenance, sort of lifetime warranty, that kind of thing. This is the way to go. And here's another piece too. It's like a tannish cream color. So you have the white and you have the cream. And I'll show you here. Two colors. Sort of our most popular colors. I got samples too. I'm gonna show you what we got in the trailer. So I drove out of state. It took me about 3 hours to get out here. It took me about 3 hours to get back. But when we have to get stuff on the dime sometimes, or they're not shipped in on time, we have to go pick them up, and I'm not going to send my guys. If I don't have to, I'll drive it myself. So I'll show you what's going on here. Jump out of my truck. We can see that's the pergola. Do a full walkthrough. So you can see on the front end, I'm going to try and get you at the right angle here. I don't want to make you dizzy, but you can see the aluminum posts. Those get mounted to the concrete, and then you have obviously aluminum on the inside right there. So the whole infrastructure is aluminum. And vinyl overlay. It was Aztec product, but Heartland pergolas. So that's how they come in our truck and trailer. So this is a good glimpse. We can do aluminum with vinyl overlay. We can do steel. We can do a lot of custom stuff. Steel for rooftops, steel for backyards, steel railings, pickets, aluminum. With everything else that we do, we can do everything. So if you need anything done in your house, let me know, or you want to see some stuff in hand, just let me know and we can schedule an appointment for you to come by our warehouse and I can show you what we got going on. Thanks for watching.